Hi, I'm Terry with Arise Homes, and if you've ever come home and found yourself without hot water, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Today, we're going to learn how to light a water heater. Your water heater can be found inside your garage in your utility closet. Lighting your water heater is actually really easy. I'm going to show you how. The first step is to remove the cover panel and verify if you have a pilot light. First thing to do is remove this access cover. Once this access cover is removed and out of the way, you can view inside this window the pilot light and if it's operating. Once you've verified that the pilot is out, turn the gas off and allow 30 minutes for the gas to ventilate so that you don't start a fire. Now that we've verified there is no pilot light, we've shown some indicators on what happens to the status lights. Green is when things are operating smoothly, red is when there's a risk. We verified that the place is free of gas. We've allowed 30 minutes for things to clear up. Now I'm going to show you how to light the pilot light. Rotate the dial indicator to pilot, compress the knob, and use the igniter to light the pilot light. This will get the flame started. Once the pilot's light is lit, hold the button compressed for 60 seconds, allow the thermocoupler to heat, and then turn the dial to the desired temperature. If you liked the video you saw, please like and subscribe to the channel. For questions and comments, leave them below, and thank you for choosing Arise Homes.